Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok direct message problem. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. There might be a few common causes for most TikTokers who face messaging problems. For example, you're not being able to send message to one of your contacts. So in this case, there might be a couple of reasons why you are having to go through this. The first reason might be that you are underage for TikTok. Since TikTok was forced to ban private messaging for users under 16, you might fall under this criteria in order to not being able to send your direct message to one of your contacts. Besides that, the next reason is you might not have verified your phone number. So make sure to verify your phone number to your TikTok in order to use that DM message function. Apart from that, make sure you follow the contact, since you will not be able to send direct messages to contacts that you aren't friends on TikTok. To be able to send direct messages on TikTok, both of the contacts and you need to follow each other and should be friends on TikTok. If you think that is not the case, why you are not being able to send your direct message, then the first thing you'll need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a working internet connection so that you can easily send those direct messages on TikTok. Another thing you can try out is go to settings from your phone and tap it on. Under settings, tap on apps. Once the list of the apps are displayed in the screen, you can go and tap on TikTok application from the list. Or you can simply search for TikTok in the search box. Once you find the app, go ahead and tap on force stop at the bottom right. After you do that, tap on the OK from the pop-up and go back to your TikTok application and try sending that direct message to one of your contacts. Those were some of the fixes whenever you're having the direct message problem on TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.